are you doing? Huh? What is it? Your ball stuck? Do you need help? What do you want? Your ball? What's your name? What's your name? No, not Ball. Say Noah. What's your name? Can you say Noah? What's your name? Your name's not Ball. What's your name? Say Noah. How old are you? 1. What's your name? Can you say Noah? What's my name? Yeah, Noah. What's my name?
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
What's your sissy's name?
Sissy.
What's her name?
Sissy.
What's sissy's name?
Sissy.
Ella. What's sissy's name? Okay, Ella.